Unlock hassle-free international shopping on Pandabuy with the power of Wise. Navigating international payments for your Pandabuy hauls can seem tricky, but using Wise, formerly TransferWise, makes it incredibly simple and cost-effective. Let's dive in. First, head over to your Pandabuy cart and proceed to checkout. Once you've selected your shipping and are ready to pay, you'll see various payment methods. Look for an option that allows for bank transfer or similar direct payment methods. Now, let's switch to your Wise account if you don't have one. Signing up is quick and easy on the Wise app or website. Tap Send Money. You'll need to choose the currency you're sending from and the currency Pandabuy requires for payment. Wise displays the real exchange rate upfront, so you know exactly what you're paying. Next, you'll enter the exact amount Pandabuy requires. Wise will then provide you with the recipient's bank details. This is crucial for a successful transfer. Double-check these details carefully: the bank name, account number, SWIFT, BIC code, and any other required information. Wise is known for its transparent and low fees, significantly less than traditional banks. You'll see a clear breakdown of the fee and the total amount you'll be sending. Once everything looks correct, confirm your transfer. Back on Pandabuy. After initiating the Wise transfer, make sure to mark your payment as sent within the Pandabuy system. This helps Pandabuy reconcile your payment quickly. You'll receive confirmation from Wise once the transfer is complete, and Pandabuy will update your order status accordingly. Managing your international payments for Pandabuy with Wise is now a breeze. Enjoy cost savings, clear exchange rates, and a smooth shopping experience. Happy shopping!